I think it's a thing that not a lot of people make. You know, it's a traditional thing, but maybe hasn't always been passed down to our generation. We talk about like pie communicates hospitality, and I think there's something welcoming about it. And so I think that's kind of what we hope to represent in our program too.
And this is just our kitchen. This is where all the pie making happens.
TriPie is a teen employment program for high school girls. We hire students from Waterloo and Cedar Falls to make pie as a first job experience. We kind of focus on financial literacy, job skill development. We have a faith development component, and then a concept that we call reconciling community, which is like cultural competency, understanding that I have gifts and you have gifts, and even though we might come from different backgrounds or experiences, those are all critical to us succeeding.
But don't ever think that you have lost your value, because you haven't. Yes,
the relationships that were critical to TriPie started long before TriPie was an idea. Two churches between Waterloo and Cedar Falls did some neighborhood strengthening programming and really built the relationships that were critical in understanding what it was that our area both needed and desired.
I mean, they were hiring, and I had just gotten finished with basketball, and I kind of wanted something else to do after school other than just go home, so I applied.
And we had seen a model of a teen employment program in Minneapolis, and we thought that that model of employment paired with these additional learning pieces was a great tool that we could use in our community to address some of those needs that we were hearing.
The instructions in the boxing.
I started freshman year of high school. I liked baking a little bit, but I didn't know nothing before this. It's been a journey though. Pie is always great because, I mean, there's some skills there in the kitchen and everything that way, but we have a different variety of girls here.
Pie or pie?
Some of them are immigrants, and we learn from them and their journey here to America, or just from different schools. Like I said, for some girls are from CF. I really wouldn't have talked to them before if they weren't coming to TriPie and learning their experience and just being able to break down some of the barriers that Waterloo and CF have with each other.
I think there are just a lot of things that I love about TriPie. I think our team is just really fun. It's really great to meet all the students and to see the unique gifts and strengths that they bring to our team and to watch them connect with each other. I really love the job piece of our program. So using a job as a tool to equip them for their futures. You know, as they work, they're able to recognize the gifts that they bring and recognize those in each other, and really have a space to use those gifts that we see in them. So, yeah, and baking is fun too. I think pie is fun, so.